Yeah.
Josiah, are you getting yourself dressed today?
Is it hard?
That looks great, Josiah. What about your pants? Can you put your shirt on? Put your shirt on.
Is it on?
I don't think you can see very well. How do you put it on? What about your pants? See, I'm having enough problems with my shirt.
Yeah. Put your pants on.
That'll work, huh?
Uh-oh. Now how do you get that shirt off?
Can you take your bottom shirt? Can you take your pajama shirt off? Here, Dave. Come here. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let's take this shirt off first. Oh. Oh, bonk. You gotta let go of this shirt. Now can you put this shirt on? Is that better?